They talk about me like a dog.
Who let the dogs out?
When certain family members avoid their responsibilities for setting and keeping the household rules, you are asking for trouble.
Hey, mama said the way you move gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove.
Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Oh, Marge, Harry's boss is coming for dinner and I ran out of food.
Don't worry, Harriet. Here.
Gravy train? But suppose he prefers his food dry.
And over the last 2 years, that's meant taking on some powerful interests.
Sausages.
That's been at the heart of what we've been doing over these last 20 months.
Sausages.
You know, that's why we passed financial reform.
Sausages.